Today you'll learn how to make cornbread using a cast iron skillet. This cornbread has those perfectly crisp edges, plus cornbread is great for helping to season your cast iron pan. I'm using a box mix, but go ahead and use a from scratch recipe if that's your jam. First, preheat the oven and preheat it with your cast iron skillet inside the oven. While your oven and your skillet are heating up, prep your cornbread batter. Just follow the instructions on the box. Quick tip, mix until the batter is combined, but don't overmix it. No KitchenAid needed today. Carefully remove your skillet from the hot oven and then oil it. I like to use coconut oil, but whatever oil you choose, just make sure to get all around the edges too. I put a little bit too much in here, so I ended up removing some. Carefully add your batter to the skillet and then bake your cornbread per instructions on the box or in your recipe. When it's done baking, let your cornbread cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Letting it cool first before cutting it will help you get nice clean cuts when serving. If you don't have a cast iron skillet yet, or if you don't have one that you love, I put a link to one in the description below. It's the same one that I have. And hey, here's another video of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. I invite you to check it out.